It is narrated from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha that during the illness leading to the demise of the Prophet Mohammad S.A.W., we placed a medicine dropper in his mouth. However, the Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. kept gesturing to us to refrain from putting medicine in his mouth. We thought he was discouraging it, as any sick person might dislike taking medicine. When the Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. felt better, he said, "Why did you not refrain from putting medicine in my mouth?" I did not want any medicine in my mouth except the one administered by Abbas, his uncle. From now on, let it be known that in this house no one's mouth should have medicine except Abbas, as he is no longer present with you. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23173.